Mute the microphone. Write the following in expanded notation. Mute the microphone. G and H, that they were homework and they are homework. Today I am giving those homework because some of you are not having textbook. Yes. F C A, yes, that is no F G H. F G H, they are homework. Yes. Yes, no discussion. No discussions. Mute the microphone in second, whatever part, whichever sums are left in second, those are homework. Now let me start. Yes, no. See what I am telling. If you don't have textbook, don't write the homework right now. Once you purchase the textbook, start solving the problem from textbook. Because okay, what I am telling, whichever problems,
अरे
right. Yes, 5, 6, 4, 3. Write in the expanded form. Write the following number in expanded notation.
they are not deaf. Speak Aram.
Yes, wait. So this we write. This we write 5. After 5, there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So this we directly write 0, 0, 0, 5. Then 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. Board is blood. Plus, yes, plus 6. See here, we consider 6. After 6, mute the microphone. After 6, there are 2 digits. 1, 2. I will write 2, 0. After 6, there are 2 digits. I will write 2, 0. Then I will write plus 4. After 4, there is 1 digit. So I will write 1, 0. 1, 0 plus 3. This is the expanded notation. This is the expanded notation. Now, yes, B. Now let me write few. 6, 3, B, 6, 3, 8, 5, 1. Write the expanded notation. So we start 6. After 6, there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4, 0 after 6. Plus, after 3, I will write 3. After 3, there are 3 digits. So I will write 3 zeros. 3 zeros I will write. Plus 8. After 8, mute the mic. After 8, there are 2 digits. I will write 2, 0 after 8. 8, 0, 0. Plus after 5, there is 1 digit, 1. So I will write 1, 0 after 5. And then plus 1. After 1, there is no digit. So we write plus 1. This is the expansion. This is, yes. In mobile, laptop, everywhere it is clear. So write the following in the expanded notation. Yes. Expanded notation. 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 Expanded notation. Yes. Now see. we will solve C. We'll solve C. C part after this. C. C is 363004. 363004. Let us write the expanded form. We write 3. After 3 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. After 3, so I will write 5 zeros. So 3 0 0 0 0 0 5 0 plus 6. After 6 there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros plus 3. After this 3 there are 3 digits, 1 2 3, I will write 3 zeros, and this 0 we write 0 only. We don't write 0 0 0, we write 0. This 0 we write 0, and after this 4 there is no digit, so I will write 4 only. This is the expanded form. In expanded form, instead of writing 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, I will simply write plus 0. Instead of writing 0 0 0 or 0 0, I will simply write 0 0. Yes. And that is what, no, that is what I am explaining. Instead of writing 3 times 0, 2 times 0, you will write simply 1 times 0. Wait. See, you listen to me what I am telling. No? Yes, what I am telling. No, 0 does not have value, but in expanded form you show that part at least. Show that part, even if it has no value. But I will advise you, instead of writing 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, you write simply 1 0 everywhere, wherever 0 is there. Wherever 0 is there, instead of writing 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, you simply write 1 0 plus 0. Now, let us do D. You write little bit fast because the board is small and problems are more. Yes. Now let us start D. D 1 1. D 1 1. Then 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is the question. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. We have to write the expanded form of this. Let us write expanded form of this. So, yes. Now we start with 1. First one. After this 1, there are how many digits? After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will write plus. Plus 1 again, 1. After this 1, there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. I will write 7 0 after this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus this 0, I will simply write 0. Plus, yes, let me write. For this, yes, let me write this one. After this one, there are how many zeros? 1, 2. There are how many digits after 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros I will write. 3, 4, 5. Plus, again I have 0. I will write 0. Plus 1. For this one, after this one, there are 3 digits. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Plus 0. Plus this one, after this one there are 2, there is 1 digit, I will write 1 0, plus last I will write 0. This is the, yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, please. Yes, yes, yes. Write this. Yes, it is correct what I have written. Just what I have written. See, wait. Yeah. Check the question. You may now. Yes, no such comment, no discussion. Mute the microphone. Otherwise, I may ask you to exit this. Every time you keep on talking, that talking is not allowed. You have to listen. If there is any doubt, you can ask me the doubt. But personal discussion is not acceptable in this. Our time is getting waste. Now, let me write E. Yes, yes, let me write E. 83 4902 834902. Mute the microphone. We start with 8. After 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5 zeros. Plus 3. After 3, there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 4 zeros. Plus 4. After 4, there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. I will write 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Yes. Plus 9. After 9, there are 2 digits. I will write 2 zeros. Plus 0. Plus 2. This is the expanded notation. Yes, yes, yes. This is the expanded notation. Mute the microphone. Write fast. C part is over. Yes, which one? No, after B part of, yes, that F, G, H, I am going to give homework. F, G, H, 3. So those 3 problems of homework I am, yes, in C, yes, yes, I am writing. That C is over. Now I am writing that problem, 3 problems of the textbook for homework. So homework problems, 3 problems. F, question number F, the number is 1616003. Write the expanded form. Then G, F, G, 400 400030, then 3 2 4, then 30, 4 then 30, then 3, then 20, then 2, and last is H, H is 4000, 3 zeros. Write the expanded form of this. So F, G, H, their homework. And how you can leave? The period is going on. Our period is up to 11:20. How you can leave? Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Because you should know when the period starts. Okay. Morning you should take breakfast properly. Breakfast, morning, every day morning you should take one apple and one half glass or 1 glass of milk. That should be your diet every morning. Half apple, 1 apple, or yes, that milk and apple should be there in your diet. Now D and E are over. D and E, yes. Yes. Now, write fast. So we have done how to write the number in the expanded notation. Expand. Yes. Okay. Now let us write, assuming that this is written by all of you. This video I will upload if you want. Yes, I can give you more number of homework, but I had to explain you also. You should first understand. Now let us write 4 questions. Let us write 4 questions. Write the place value. Write the place of, mute the microphone. Write the place of, see this video what we are uploading is watched by your class teacher also, so they are able to make out who is creating disturbance, who is not muting the microphone, because this is recorded video. So please take care of this. Write the place of the underlined digit. Underlined digit. The digits are underlined. You have to write place. Yes, I have written the place, not place value. Write the place. Only place, not place value. Wait. Now first A. It is A. Wait. 23051. In this, the underlined is 3. 3 is underlined. 23051. 3. Write the place of the underlined digit. You are given a number. Please mute the microphone. Write the place of the yes. Wait. You have to write the place. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So not place value. It is as place. So place of 3 is 1000. Yes, I will write. No, not 3000. I will write place. Place of 3 is 1000. I will not write place value. If you write 3000, means you are writing place value, and we are only asked what is the place. Which place? So 3 is at 1000 place. Yes. Place means you have to mention the position. 3 is at which place? At 1000 place. If you say 3000, you are telling me the place value, but it is not asked place value, only place is asked. Then B, yes, mute the microphone, 2140, 214065, 214065, and the underlined is 2. underlined is 2. Write the place of second one is 214065, this number 214065. What is the place of digit 2? Place. So yes, so we count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So place is lakh. Place is lakh. Is it clear? So place is lakh. Place is lakh. Place means you have to mention the position. Place means you have to write the position, at which position the number is there. Place means you have to write the position of that number. Clear? Now A, B. Now C and D, I am going to give homework. C and D. C and D. Wait. C is 7309. 7309 528 and the underlined digit is 3. This 3 is underlined, so you have to write place. So I am giving this homework. D. Yes, 3 is underlined. 3. See here, 3 is underlined. This 3 is underlined. Then next 8403 840 376. Yes, no comment. 840376. In this the underlined is 7. 7 is the underlined digit. 7 is the underlined digit. Write the place. Yes. Mute the microphone, please. You have to write tens. So you have to write the place. Place means position. At which position the number is there, that position you have to write in place. Now A and B is over. Board is clear. A and B are over. A and B are over. Now see. Yes. Wait. Yes. Wait. Arey, no talking. Mute the microphone. There is a huge disturbance. It may happen that. Now next, question number 5. Write the place value. Now we are asked, write the place value. Write the place value. Yes, mute the microphone. Write the place value of the. Mute the microphone. Write the place value of the underline. Who is creating the disturbance? Definitely I will remove. Once it is removed, then how many requests you will make, I will not admit. Please mute the microphone, and nobody will create disturbance when the teaching is going on. Yes, you send me name of the student. Write the place value of the underlined digit. write the place value. Yes. Now we have to write the place value. Earlier it was writing the place. Now it is place value. So first it is 63915. 63915. This is the number given. What is the place value of 3? 3 is underlined. Place value of 3. So we write, yes, now I will write 3000. So place value, yes, place value of 3 is, now I will write 3000. Earlier it was, what is the place? So place we write 3 as 1000, but place value is 3000. Yes. In place value we write 0 also. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone, everybody. Now, yes. Now let us, this part is over. C and D I am erasing. Now, yes. Now let me solve B. Let me solve B. B 7835 78. Yes. Please mute the microphone. 4001. The underlined digit is 8. The underlined digit is 8. What is the place value? So we write place value of 8. Place value. Yes. Place value of 8 is, wait, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. So it is 80 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 6 zeros I will put. 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it is 80 lakh. It is 80 lakh. Yes, 80 lakhs. So place value of 8 is 80 lakhs. No comma. It is as place value of 8, so it is 80 lakh here. Now let me give now remaining two problem C and D. C and wait, let me write C. Wait. No, how you can leave 9900? Still time is there, 738. See, now underline digit is 7. Underline digit is 7. You have to write place value. Then D is 250. Yes, it is clear. 25084 and the underline in this is 2. 2 is underlined. So you have to write the place value. Yes, C and D are homework. So place value means you have to write the position value. Yes. No, still time is there. Now let us solve question number 6. 6 is problem of face value. Write the face value No. Write the phase value. Yes, no talking. Write the phase value. What happened? Write the phase value of the underlined digit. Phase value. Underlined digit. Write the phase value of the underlined digit. Now we have to write phase value. So phase value is same as mirror. Phase value is same as mirror value. Phase value is same as mirror value. When we see, yes, D is C and D are homework. C and D are homework. Now 6 first is 60952. 60952, and it is underlined 9. Yes. See here, phase value is same as mirror image value. When we see our face in the mirror, whatever size is having of our shape of the face, that shape of the face remains same in the mirror. So phase value is nothing but it is the mirror image value. Our size and shape of the face, face is remains same in the mirror. So phase value of any digit will remain that digit only. So phase value is 9. Wait, phase value is 9. So phase value remains same. Phase value of any digit remains the 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 same. Remember. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, everybody. Phase value of any digit remains the same. Then B is 2381 238147. Wait, still time is there, 1 minute. Wait, 1 minute is there, 1. So phase value is 1. Phase value is 1. Phase value is 1. See, still there is disturbance. Wait. Phase value, see here, phase value of any digit remains the same. Mute the microphone. Phase value remains the same. Phase value remains the same. 9005081. Underlined digit is 5. So this is homework. Yes. Wait. Then wait. D 387 69541. Underlined digit is 3. So phase value of any digit remains the same. Phase value is same as mirror image value. Our size of face remains same in the mirror. So phase value is same as mirror value. So phase value of any digit remains same. Now C and D are homework. Yes. See those who are not mute, those who have not muted the microphone, next period definitely I am not going to admit. You will see that. Yes, those who are not muting the microphone in spite of several requests, next time while admitting I have to think thrice, because that is creating a disturbance for others. Yes. Yes. You have to mute the microphone and study. Yes, now it is, yes, now it is, yes, yes, yes. Yes, ask the question. Yes. Send the homework in the personal WhatsApp number. Yes, now our period is over. It is 11:21. Yes. Bye everybody. See you next time. Next period. Next period we'll see you now. Bye, 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 bye everybody. Bye. Yes, you can now leave and take your lunch properly. Take care. Yes. Morning you take good breakfast. Morning you take good breakfast. At least one apple and half glass or 1 glass of milk you take morning. Don't discuss on such. Don't discuss. You can have a talk afterwards. D is also homework. Yes. Dash is there. D dash is there in 3, below 3. 3, 8, 7, 6, 9, 5, 4, 1. Dash is there below 3. Bye, bye, bye everybody. Take care. Now we stop our, yes, now we stop our period.